Hi everyone, welcome to Yagutamizhi. In this video, we are going to discuss about Session-1. In this session, if you came from the non-cloud background, at the end of this session, you got some basic idea about cloud computing. Okay. Mm, in this session, we are going to discuss about this topic, each topic in the different video. Okay. In the first, we are going to discuss about why we need cloud computing, and after discussing this video we will discuss about what is cloud computing. Okay, after that I will teach you how to create Azure free account. Okay, once you create Azure free account using debit card or credit card, in your account it will credited $200 dollars. Okay, $200 we can use for 1 month. Okay, we cannot take as amount, they will give credit for $200. We can use this $200 for 1 month to create Azure services. Okay, we can, after this 1 month, uh, we cannot able to use this $200, we have to pay. Okay, and then I will show you how, what is sandbox and how to create this sandbox. Okay, at the end of the session 1 we will see how to log into the Azure portal, and I will give you overview in the Azure portal. Yeah guys, this is about the session 1. We will see in the next video why we need cloud computing. Thank you.